Hey guys, welcome to the third episode of our Making a Dungeon Game series. I'm your host, Big Mango Boy 69, also known as Epically Diablo. And yeah, if you watched the last two episodes, you already know the drill. Basically, tutorial, make a dungeon game, 3 doors, go through one. Um, it does some stuff. Let me show you what I mean. Just gonna run it really quickly. This is very slow. Wow. And as you can see, we have our player here. We have our blue door here, our green door here, and our yellow door here. Left key, up key, right key. As you can see, the blue door interacts because the chance equals like 1. So whenever you touch it, score goes up by 10 and you print a score. Just keep doing this. Also, turns will -1 each time until we hit like 80. See, 80. Spamming the arrow keys doesn't work because turns is over. There, understood. Don't care. Also, what we did was we created the new characters for our shooter game. Um, our shooter mode that like will happen every time you enter a door, and its chance is true. Okay, so now what we're gonna do today is we're actually gonna create the functions for each of the new characters, and they are gonna be for E, it's gonna be teleport. For B, it's gonna be shoot, and for P2, it's gonna be moving around. And yeah, and if we have time, maybe we'll manage to make the game loop, the main game loop for running the game under that. Okay, so first what we're gonna do is we're gonna create the e teleport function. So you just call it e teleport. There we go, spelled right. Yep. So what we're gonna do is e dot high title, e dot setx random dot randint between, let's say, uh minus 250 and 250. This might have to change, but I don't know. Why is that there? And e dot set y random dot randint minus 250 to 50. Why is that there? This is peculiar. And e dot show total. Okay, I'm confused. Why is that there? I thought I was gonna break the whole thing. Right, let me just run it really quickly to see if there are no errors. Why is that? E. E is a guy. Oh, right. I forgot. I'm really stupid. Sorry about that. I know, okay, no errors. My mistake was that I forgot to add the 2 brackets because this bracket was complete, but the full one wasn't. My mistake, didn't notice. Okay, so E teleport, what it does is it will hide E. It will set its X value to between minus 250 and 250, and the same to Y, and it'll show it. Pretty simple, it's teleporting. And then we're going to do B. Now, shoot. This is the big one. This is literally the main thing. Define shoot. What we're going to do is we're going to do X equals P2 dot X core, Y equals P2 dot Y core. Now, what this means is that these X and Y variables, X is set to P2 dot X core, and Y is set to P2 dot Y core, basically their coordinates. We're just going to do X and Y to make it simpler. So what we're going to do is we're going to do P dot set pos, I'm pretty sure that's it, X, Y, and yeah, we're going to do B dot set heading, P2 dot heading. So it's basically going to be the same direction as P2 that it's heading. So if it's right, it'll be right. If it's up, it'll be up. If it's down, down. You get what I mean. Then what we're going to do So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create an if statement. So um if x is greater than minus 250, or x is less than 250, or y is greater than minus 250, or y is less than 250. Now what or does is literally it is literally or. So or it's so if one of these values are true, yeah, it will continue doing it until it hits like minus 250, 250 or something like that. So we're gonna do b dot forward b speed. I'm just gonna set here of a variable called b speed, and it's probably gonna be like 10. No, 7.5. There we go, that's good. And then go to b dot height as well. Yep. Also, no. It's not if, by the way, it's while, because we don't want it to go once, we want to go like for a while. Okay. Now I'm pretty sure this works. Hopefully it'll work. Okay, now that's it. That's it. She shoots. And now we're just gonna have to create the controls for P2. Um, it's gonna be called left. No. Right one. Yeah. So we have to define right one. Now it's gonna be literally the same thing. X equals P2 dot X core. Now do you remember from down here, done all of these up, left, right stuff? It's basically the same thing, but we're gonna do it um in this game. So basically the way it works is that normally, yeah, if it's not gonna be in the main loop of thingamabob of like the shooter game, the shooter mode, if it's not, it will be this. So basically both are gonna be used the arrow keys to make it simple. So you don't have to use arrow keys and also WASD because that's the alternative. So yeah, but wait, let me explain after we do this so that it'll be a lot more simpler. So we're just gonna do P2 X plus. Sorry, did not mean to put that space there. X plus equals 10. Did not mean plus plus. Do you know what? Not even 10. P2's speed. And it'll be 10. Yes, because I'm so extra. P2 speed. Yeah, but every time you have the chance, um, set a variable because it'll make it a lot more simpler. X dot set. No. P2 dot set X. X. I'm very clumsy again. Wow. Okay, so now we just have to copy this. Copy. Blop. 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 There we go. I'm so dumb. It's not right. One is left one. I mean, right two. Wow. Sorry about that. Oh man. So how has your week gone by? It's the end of the week. It's Sunday. Nice sunny weather. Just went out with my dog for a walk. It's very nice, considering our situation right now. Yeah, that's all I really wanted to say. So why? Oh yeah, this is up. Yeah, there we go. I hope you guys are enjoying the series. Because I'm having quite a lot of fun myself, creating a new game. Just like for fun, because I like making games, and maybe I kind of want to be a game developer when I'm older. Maybe work for one of the big countries, like I mean not countries, um, big companies like Nintendo or something, or like PlayStation, because I am a PlayStation boy. Hashtag not sponsored. And or maybe I'll become an indie developer and make rubbish games for a living that will just be popular for no reason. Yeah, that spiral down very fast. So there we go. Okay, while I was bumbling about, we created our functions: right two, left two, up two, down two, yada yada yada. Go back to episode 1 to see uh, all of this. Actually, no, don't go back to episode 1 because all this is different. I didn't even explain it. Okay, so basically, this is the new way of moving. It's not basically that it does a single command. Um, my mistake, I forgot all about that. I usually make games just normally about this. So basically, X is the P2.x score, and then X will go up by P2 speed, which is 10, and then P2 will set X, and that's also the same for Y. So if it's right or up, it's plus. If it's left or down, it's minus. Yep. Oh, and also, what we want to do is we want to do p2 dot set heading. Um, I'm pretty sure right. I'm pretty sure right is 90. I'm pretty sure, and I'm pretty sure that left it's 270. Because just imagine your turtle P2 having a magic circle around it. And if you know how circles work, you know a circle's 360 degrees. So B dot set heading is literally going to set its heading like a line goes through a line from the middle, goes to the uh, coordinate 90 degree, not coordinate, the angle 90 degrees on the circle, and that's where P2 is going to be heading. That's also the same for 270 and P2 dot set heading um, 0 because up is 0, not 360. Remember that. P2 dot set heading 180, I presume. Okay, so that's our functions. Yeah, very very simple. How long I've been recording for? Sorry, 13 minutes. We've got 7 minutes. Um, so now we have to do one final function, and that is main loopy the loopy boy. Main loop. Um, we're just gonna call. It's just gonna be a function called define main loop. So what it's going to do, what we want to do is you want to set a variable called start loop equals false. And what we want to do is you want to do start loop equals true. Also forgot to mention, it might be good if you put a global p2 speed. Sorry about that. Forgot to mention this about global. Uh, yeah, just put global p2 speed. It shouldn't take very long to be honest. If you can write very fast, um, it wouldn't take that long. There we go. So we got that. Also shoot. Global b speed. There we go. Here we might want to do global start loop. There we go. So start loop equals true. Um, while start loop equals true. It will do all this stuff until it's false. Also, what we want to do is we want to do e dot teleport. No, not e dot. It's e teleport. Teleport. So we just want to leave that for a while. Now you're probably wondering, okay, what happens to the doors and stuff? I forgot to add another function under the highlight, hide them all. Now first is going to be hide one because this will hide the main cast of characters, and it's going to be a function we're going to make. Hide one is literally just going to be p dot hide turtle, the one dot hide turtle, the two dot hide turtle, and the three dot hide turtle. Actually, no, it's hide and show them all. Because now we're also going to do the same thing but with show. But first, yeah. So define uh show one. Now we just copy all of this and we just paste it here. There we go. Now we just hide. Change S to H. Change H to S for show turtle. There we go. Now we just copy all of this, paste that here. It'll be hide two and show two. We've got two variables. Not two variables. Two turtles P2, B, and E. Where is it now? Where is it? Here we go. So it's only three, so you can just delete this, the last one. There we go. Just delete this one. Add a P2 to this, and change these to B and E. B and E. There we go. So that's hide one and hide two, and show one and show two. So what we want to do is while start loop equals true, we want to do, actually no, not while, because I'll just mess it up. We want to do uh, show two and hide one. So this will hide these cast of characters and it will show these. Okay, so that's it. That's what main loop does. And then while start loop equals true. Um, so basically in this game, the shooter game, you want the ogre to chase you around and around and around. Um, so the function for it to keep on looking at you while you run, it is we actually want to first before all of that, we need to bind on the left one, uh left two, right two, up two, down two to bind. So it's literally t dot on key, and it's literally the same thing that we've done before. It will be right two, right. There we go, and just copy this. Damn it, forgot. Do 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 do. There we go. So it's left two, up two, and down two. There we go. Wasn't that hard? And now we just got to do left, up, and down. And now we've got to do t dot listen. There we go. So it's literally while this is true. Now remember what I said before. So while this is true, it binds them onto the arrow keys. but if it's not, then it will bind them onto here. Okay, yeah, that's and also down. Down, the down key isn't here, um, but it's fine because P2 will be hidden anyway. S Sorry about that. That was my annoying brother. He came into the room uh, intentionally just to annoy me about Fortnite. Ah, that was embarrassing. Something embarrassing happens every time. Yeah, this series is very well. So as I said before, down you don't have to worry because Peter will be hidden anyway. Okay, so now what we want to do is another while loop, not while. Sounds a bit French there. While, yes, yes, yes. I meant be a racist child. While, um, what is it? Oh yeah, e dot distance to p2 is greater than 20, and you remember e distance, so 20 is touching. If it's greater than, well, it's not touching. And also, we want to do e dot set heading e dot, I think is towards, I'm pretty sure is the function, towards p2. So basically, in a nutshell, while while they're not touching, E will continue to look at P2, and also we want to do uh, E dot forward E speed because that's a variable we put in last episode, I believe. Yep, which is 3. Might be a bit slow, but it's fine. So that's it. That is our main loop for now. I'm not gonna test it. I'm gonna test it at the end. How long do I have? Quarter of 22. No, we can do a bit more. And also, what we want to do, if b dot distance e is touching 20, um, we want to do start loop equals false and break. There we go. So, um, what break does, it will break the loop, the whole entire loop. And after that is broken, we want to do show 1 and hide 2. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's the whole point. Show 1, hide 2, and yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. Also, what we want to do is we want to change your background for more aesthetic look. Background's probably going to be like not red, crimson. This is the color because I've checked it out. Crimson. And then what we want to do, it's t dot bg color. It's gray normally. It's basically everything off back to normal. I think that's it. Oh yeah, and last one. Sorry about that. I was just thinking um, about what to do next. If e dot distance to p2 is touching less than 20, Um, start loop equals false. Um, score minus equals 20. Also, is score all the way down here? Yep, we can't have that. Copy. Do you know what we want to copy all of this because every time you die, actually, you know what? Yeah, we're gonna do oh yeah, we need to. What do we have to do? Oh yeah. Forgot. We want to do all of this at the very start. Sorry about that. You can just copy this because I did not expect this. Copy, delete, but it's all at the start, like here. There we go. We want to do global chance, global. Actually, not turns. Global score. Score minus equals 20 and break. There we go. I want to do break and break. There we go. So that breaks the whole loop. Actually, no. We don't want that there. We don't want that there. We also want to do here chance equals random dot randint 1 2 3. So that every time you uh, complete the shooter mode, it'll reshuffle once again. Maybe you'll be lucky. If not, I don't know. Okay, so also finally, what we want to do is just delete this print score because we don't need to do that just yet. We don't need this. And finally, what we want to do is add main loop to this. If chance equals 3, main loop, and also hit else score plus equals 10. So what else does is literally if it's one of the others, it'll still score plus equals 10. You could just change this. It's fine. I won't change much. I'll recap. I'm just gonna recap right now. Because we've done quite a lot. Um, and lastly, main loop, not smain. It's not a word. And else score plus equals 10. Okay, we are done. We have completed this episode. Recap time. We made our controls for player 2 for him to move around. We created an E teleport function for E every time like at the start of every round he teleports somewhere else, and created hide 1, show 2, hide 2, show 1, wrong order. It's basically it'll hide either the main cast or second cast. Where's B? Here we go, B. We made a shoot function for it so that while it's not off screen, it'll go forward, and if it is, it'll hide itself. And also we made our main loop function. Look how big that is, so big. Um, we created a variable called start loop, which is first false. However, when it's main loop, it will become true. It will teleport show to hide 1. That will happen here. Um, start loop equals and then create the whole loop where you can move around. Um, he will go towards you. If he touches you, you go back to the title screen and you lose 20 points. However, if you shoot it, I think we should do score plus equals 10. There we go. Just add that in there for you actually get something out of it. And then once you're done with it, chance will reshuffle. Background go back to normal, and the game will continue. This is basically the finished game. However, next episode I want to do some tweaking touches, and that will be the last episode of this 4-part series. So I hope you enjoyed. Once again, please add a name for our dungeon game in the description below. Please, I'm begging. I have no idea what to call it still. Okay. And also as normal, subscribe, like. Hope you had fun. Uh, This, I know this is quite like one of the more longer episodes, but trust me, it was worth it. It was worth it. It was really worth it. As I said, next episode we're gonna do some stuff. Yeah, we're just gonna like tweak up and just test the game. But for now, yeah, thanks for watching.